When a squirrel leaps from one branch to another, it isn't that he trusts the tree to catch him, or the branch not to break. The trust lies not in the external circumstances, but rather in his internal ability to navigate whatever landscape the external becomes. He trusts that even if the branch does snap, he will recover. He trusts in his own ability to regain balance, to use the skills he has acquired, and in his own strength and wisdom to adapt accordingly. The branches may shake in the wind, as Mother Nature brings both sunshine and storms alike. She knows that growth is not only found in the warm and cloudless days. She knows the seasons that bring rain and the seasons of underground growth are just as necessary. They are just as integral to the evolution of the journey. When you venture into the world bearing the gifts you were given, you are being invited to surrender fully, to dare unabashedly, to dream wildly. Trust in the process, yes, for the universe conspires to aid you in whatever ways will nourish your soul's expansion best. Surrender to the not knowing, to the uncertainty, to the emotions that rise up within you. And above all else, trust in yourself. Trust that you went through all the twists and turns of your path for a reason. Trust that the season you are in right now is preparing you for the next one. Trust that your daring actions and steadfast faith are being met with the support and love of the universe. Yes, the storms may rock your ship, but they will not sink you. Yes, the clouds may engulf the sky, but the sun will reappear. Yes, the winds may cause the branches of the tree you are climbing to tremble, and you may lose your balance for a short while, but you will recover. Yes, you may slip and fall. You may stumble and scrape your knee. You may need to take a pause to rest and reassess the route you have planned. And you will rise up again. You will rise with more strength. You will rise with more wisdom. You will rise with more tenacity and ferocity to do what you have come here to do. You will rise with more love and courage to embody who you came here to be. So take a breath, steady your spirit, and then take the leap and trust your heart to catch you.